जैन भाई, मनीष, मनोज, मनीष CH, वेलकम टू द लाइव सेशन गाइज। यस, वेलकम मिस्टर अनुज प्रसाद। चलो अनुज आ गया तो कोई बात नहीं, स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। आज वो कहाँ गए? अरे अरे,
कौन
ग्रुप
सा?
कोऑर्डिनेटर कहाँ गए? अनुज, लड़का लेट है
सर
क्या?
आ रहे होंगे शायद। हाँ सर, ऐसे ही लगता है।
हाँ सर, आ
अरे
रहे
क्या नाम
होंगे।
है अपना जयपुर वाला? वेलकम
अच्छा
सौरभ।
सर, वो अब जीडी अटेंड नहीं करता है। वो विकास बेनीवाल।
अच्छा, विकास आजकल नहीं आ रहा है ना?
नहीं सर।
जैन सर।
जय हिंद भैया, जय हिंद। आज नेटवर्क ठीक है? अच्छा, जब नेटवर्क थोड़ा सा वीक लगे ना तब कैमरा ऑफ कर लिया करो। मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ी सी क्वालिटी ठीक हो जाती है। शायद कैमरा खूब खूब सारा वो तुम्हारा डाटा नेटवर्क खा जाता होगा। तो अगर ऐसा हो तो ट्राई कर लिया करो। अंशु आ गया ना? यस, ठीक है।
जैन
चलो भाई
सर।
शुरू करो।
जैन फ्रेंड्स।
जय हिंद अंशु, जय हिंद।
सर मैं अभी 10 मिनट में वापस रिज्वाइन करता हूँ, गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ, थोड़ी देर में फिर
अच्छा
वापस।
ठीक है, ओके, नो इशू। तो आराम से चला रे भाई, आराम से चला।
सर टीनेज ड्राइविंग हो रही है।
हम्म। चल यार, ड्राइविंग तो आजकल देख जरूरी हो गया, कभी कभी थोड़ी बहुत करनी पड़ती है। पर ऐसा है कि आराम आराम से अपनी हैसियत और औकात देख के चलानी चाहिए, है कि नहीं?
सर इसी चक्कर में तो हम अपने यूथ एक्सीडेंट से ज्यादा होते हैं, बल्कि एक डिजीज के।
एक्सीडेंट ज़्यादा होते हैं फिर जब तुम कोई एग्ज़ाम क्लियर कर चुके हो, एग्ज़ाम जस्ट क्लियर करने वाले होते हो ना, तब एक्सीडेंट बहुत होते हैं। जब तुम्हारी शादी की डेट फिक्स हो चुकी है फिर एक्सीडेंट जल्दी होता है। तो तुम जब तुम्हारी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है ना जहाँ तुम्हारी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है वहाँ पक्का एक्सीडेंट होता है। तो इसलिए अभी तो छोड़ दो थोड़े दिन के लिए। चलो भैया, चलो यार शुरू करो फिर फटाफट, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। टॉपिक मैंने तुम्हें दे ही
ओके
रखा
सर।
है, इंट्रोडक्शन। इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट
Okay,
करो,
friends.
देखते हैं। हाँ।
Okay, friends. Respected sir and my dear friend, Jan to all. My name is Manoj. I have been born and brought up at Javelin, Mathura. That is the birthplace of Lord Krishna. I passed my 12th in 2018 from UP board. There are 5 members in my family, including me. My father, Mr. Niranjan Singh, is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. We are 3 siblings. My hobbies are cycling and gardening. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me not only an adventurous life but also an opportunity to serve the nation with pride. And now I want to present my views on the given topic, that is time management. Friends, as we all know that we get 24 hours in whole days, and it is depend on our us how we divide it. And friends, time management is a process in which we divide our whole work and our whole process of work in a different way. And it is also very good because time management is also reduce the burden, stress and disappointment, depression sometimes. So in my point of view, it is very good. And those people follow the proper time management, then they are very good. And on the other side, those people don't follow the proper time management. Sometimes they also they face so many problems like disappointment, distress, stress, and also they feel a lot of burden about it. That's all, my friend. Thank you.
ठीक है। Okay, friends, respected sir and my old friends, good evening to all of you. My name is Anuj Prasad. I live there to Rudraprayag in Uttarakhand. I completed my intermediate in 2018 from Uttarakhand board with 84 percentage, and currently I am pursuing BSc from HNB University, Srinagar, Gadwal. There are 5 members in my family, including me. My father, Mr. Bhagwati Prasad, is a farmer, and my mother, Mrs. Sushila Devi, is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing indoors and outdoors games like cricket and football, and I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me an opportunity to serve the nation as well as discipline and socially respectful life. Now come to the topic that is given to us for discussion is time management. And my views on this topic is like that time is a precious thing and everybody know about the value of time. Mostly we see that the person who know the value of time, he makes successful in his life. And the person who doesn't know the value of time, mostly we see that he fails in making his identity in the society. Friends, time management is the managing the time in a right activity so that we can give our time in the right a lot. Friends, today there are many factor which is included in time management. For example, that making what to do list in the morning, jot down the work that is important in priority, and many more things. And friends, many person make a very hectic schedule in the morning, so say they doesn't follow it, and in the last he make disappointed. So friends, we also think that we all are a human being, and we also give a proper and good time with our family, social media, study, as well as sports. And if we make successful in this thing, then we can say that we are success in managing the time in our daily life. Thank you.
Good evening, Sharon, my dear friend. My name is Manish Kushwaha. I live at Jalon in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12th from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing BSc from Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. And if I talk about my family, I have my father, he's a farmer, my mother, he's a homemaker, and two sisters in my family. And come to the aim, I want to join Indian Air Force because I always inspired by the discipline lifestyle of the Indian Air Force. Today's topic is time management. The time management means divide the time in the different tasks which are important. There is now a time. Time is money because in the competition era, that money and the time in the competition era, the time is money because that the main focus on the time. If you utilize their time in the right direction, and you can get more money. And there is some that and the and by managing the time managing also improve our discipline. When the person manage their time, they also get discipline, and they are also get self motivated. Time management reduce the stress, depression, and also increase their willpower. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Afzal and I am from Sikar district of Rajasthan. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I have done my class 12th with 84 percentage. As far as my hobby is concerned, I am interested in reading books and playing cricket. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it is the most dignified way to lead a healthy life and to serve the motherland with utmost pride and honor. Now coming to the topic of discussion today, which is time management. As we all know that time and tide wait for none. Okay, and time management is very, I can say, the thing like we should manage our time in our daily life. And if we talk about in professional world also, and in the our daily day to day work, we have to manage our time in efficient way that we can succeed in life and achieve our goals and all. Thank you.
Okay, my voice is audible.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, yes, Suraj,
Jain,
you're
my dear,
audible.
Jain, my dear friend. My name is Suraj. I come from Agra, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for the Taj Mahal. I scored 83% class 12th from CBSE board. Now I'm pursuing BSc under Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My hobbies is playing outdoor sport like cricket and volleyball, and I was the captain of my school cricket team. I want to join Indian Air Force because its uniform makes me feel proud. Beside it, Air Force can give me all opportunity and facility to grow up in my life. Now comes to our topic, time management. If we see the today's scenario, people are so busy in their life, so they are not getting time for their themselves. So it is very necessary to make time management because it is the need of an hour. Time management play a very important role in our daily life. Time management create discipline or other good thing if you want to become successful in your life. So time management is play very important role. With the help of time management, we reduce burden, stress, and anxiety, and it also gain self confidence in a person. And my dear friend, we got only 24 hours, so we can't do everything in the 24 hours, so it create limitation for us. So we have to divide our whole the day in small group to achieve our goals. So time management is a very beneficial for every one person because this era is full of technology and full of competition. If you want to get success in your path, then you have to take good management of time, because time and tides not stay for anyone.
Yes, my dear friend. Am I audible? I am from district Jalon, Uttar Pradesh. My father is a farmer. My mother is housemaker. I have done my class 12th with 75% mark from UP board. I am pursuing my BSc third year from Bundelkhand University. My hobby is playing cricket and running. I want to join Indian Air Force because this is a great opportunity and here life is full of adventures. Today our topic is time management. Time management is always very beneficial for the students and the office worker because as we all know that time and tide wait for none. So as we all know that in a day there is only 24 hours, so in these 24 hours we have to finish all the work. So with the help of the time management we can get the confidence in our life and we can also get the punctuality. So time management is always better for the students, be that students can also making a syllabus in the term of the for the time management. So time management is always better. Thank you.
Yes, Jain to all of you. My name is Naresh Kumar. I'm from Agra, which is famous for Taj Mahal. In my education, I have completed my intermediate from UP board in 2019, and now I am pursuing BSc final year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker, and we are five siblings. I like playing cricket and gardening, and I always inspired by the discipline lifestyle of Indian Air Force. So I want to join Indian Air Force. So friends, as we know that today our topic is time management, and time management refers to the managing time effectively and the as well as the accurately. And friends, as we know that time management provides us the good discipline in our life, and time management is the most important part of our success of our successful life. And friends, the person if we will question to the person who are successful in his life, they will give us the suggestion to manage our time. And time we should divide our 20 hours in many parts, and we should make our every work on time, because it provide us a disciplined lifestyle. So friends, time management is important, and it is also key to success. And with the help of time management we can be able to make a hard work and time. And with the help of time management we also ready and motivated to towards our works. And everyone has rightly said that time and tide wait for none. So friends, we should make our time management, and we should make our work effectively. Thank you.
आदर्श भाई, जीडी स्टार्ट करूं मैं?
बोल लेने तो, कोई बोलना चाहता था। आदर्श,
मैं भी कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ।
आदर्श से शायद अफजल, अफजल ने बोल लिया।
वेट मनीष,
अभी किसी की आवाज आई थी।
जी बोलो,
आदर्श भाई आप
अफजल ने
बोलो।
बोल लिया।
हाँ भाई बोलिए, आप
बोलना
जल्दी
चाहते
तो।
हो तो बोल दो, नहीं तो स्टार्ट
चलो
करते हैं जीडी।
एक्चुअली आई थिंक एनीवन गर्ल।
सीक्रेट बताना चाहती हूँ।
आई
कोई
थिंक
गलत,
मनीष।
तुम बोलो भाई।
ओके
अरे
ओके
बोलने
माय
दो
डियर
यार,
फ्रेंड,
कोई बोलना चाह रहा है। मनीष
okay
होगा।
my dear friend, okay my dear friend, I want to initiate the group discussion. My dear friend, don't distract the group discussion, because we are very disciplined to our goal and achievements. Can I start?
यस
ओके।
यस, इनिशिएट करो भाई।
Okay, my dear friend, I would like to initiate the group discussion. As we are seeing, time management is very beneficial for the student, because we all are student. Today's student have many studies and many workload to do. Because of this, student are do not enjoy their childhood, and the student do not management their time because of too much study. So due to which they are not involved in the physical task and the physical activity. So due to which many types of student get obesity, and many types of many types of ill health is happening in a very at a very low period of time because they are not involved in the physical activity. So time management is a crucial need for a student because we all are students.
Yes, my dear friend Suraj, I agree with you. And I also believe that today we can see that time management is equal to the smart work. Many people do a lot of hard work, then he doesn't get a good output in his life. Even he doesn't get success in his life. And friends, he also do a very hard work. But friends, I believe that in this time, if he manage his time and do the thing in according to time and finish the time, and he set a goal and he also completed that work within the limitation of goal, then at that time we can see that student make more productivity and also become more successful. So friends, I believe that time management play a very significant role not only in the life of the person but also in the organization.
Yes, my dear friends, Anuj, I agree to your point. I also want to add one more point is that friends, time management is a very key to success. And friends, there are several example in our country. They also follow the proper time management like Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Akshay Kumar, and even Narendra Modi also. So my dear friends, they also have a very healthy lifestyle. Friends, if we follow their time, follow time management, and so then we can also divide our time and we can also reduce the hectic schedule problem. And friends, there are many students in our in our country who got top marks, and on the other side although they are because they do work hard or according to the proper time management. But on the other side there are many students who also do much work hard but they don't follow the proper time management. That's why they do not get a good marks in the examination, and sometimes they also face the failure problem. That's all. Thank you.
Yes, my
Yes,
friend, agree
Manoj,
with you.
okay, friends, agree with your point. I wanna just add one more point. As we all know, that time management is very crucial in our
Time
life and in
management
the
play an
professional world as
important
well.
role in
But
our life.
I wanna say we have to first understand that time, as we all know, that time management is a soft skill, and we have to understand like that we like in an efficient way we can not manage the our time in a day or in a two. It's a process, not an event that we can manage in a day or two. It's a process. By the day
You
we
are
are
get
going to manage our efficient times, that many books are written on them, and many we if we read the famous persons or the successful person's biographies also, we have to we understand that they are managing their time like they are going through the process of 1 year 2 year and writing the task one night before. Many more techniques they are doing. These types of things is that also help us to manage our time also. Thank
Yes,
you.
Yes, my
yes,
friend, I
Afzal, I
agree with you.
totally, yes,
As we
Afzal,
all
I
know
totally.
that time is the easiest thing of the life, and without the time management, we can't success in our life. And as we all know that if a person wants to clear the examination, he has also a good schedule to clear the examination. So everyone is, if everyone is follow the time management, he that person will be success surely. And as we all know that many person are destroying his life to wasting the time to playing the mobile games, and many person are and if a person has no aim in their life, that life of that person is very useless. So first of all we should have a good aim in our life, and then we should follow that aim with the good time management. The time management is key to success.
Yes, my
Yes,
dear
Naveen,
friend
I
Manish, I
totally
am
agree
agree
with your
with that.
point.
And I
In
also
order to
believe
live
that
a
setting
happy and
goal
a
and
peaceful life,
objective play a
so
very
socialize is very
significant role in the
important.
time
To
management. Friends, we can say that a person who doesn't have any goals and objective in a day, we can compare that person with a captain in a ship who forget his way. So, friends, I believe that setting goal is very important. And friends, the goal also should be realistic because many people make a very hectic schedule in starting of the day, and they also think rationally, and he also manage his time according to the time. But friends, when we all are know that nobody can see the future, so friends, I believe that if we want to manage the time, then we also make the list of the work rather than making the time that we can make that time given to that work.
Yes,
uh,
yes, Anuj, I
Yes, my friend, I agree to your point. And the time management is a thing by which we can divide our daily.
many people dream of their success, and The success resides in the discipline and time management. Time management and hard work is the key to success. And friends, as we know that the person who are not making time, they cannot work properly. And friends, as we know that there are many person who manage their time and work effectively, but many people make harder management of time, and they are not follow it properly. So we should make the time management in which we will not we have to not face many problem.
Yes,
And friends, time management
yes,
is
Naresh.
helping to get motivated every time, and it provides a disciplined lifestyle to any student and any other person who is working in any place.
I
Yes,
agree,
Naresh, I totally
Naresh, and adding some
yes,
more
Naresh, I
other
totally
point
agree with
that
your point. In order to live a happy and a peaceful life, socialization is also very important. At a now time, too much workload make a person ill. If you want to if you want to become happy in your life, then you have to make time a good time management. As we see in our daily life, many students they do not study from the starting time, but at the time when the exam clear, when the exam are becoming near, so they study too much, so they have to get too much stress. If they are study from the initial starting points, so they can make the good time management, they also clear the exam. So if we want to clear any exam, then time management is very important.
Yes, my dear friends, one more point is that friends, proper time management is very important because we can make proper time management. It is very easy, but to follow the proper time management is very difficult. Friends, some people give the more important than more important to money, but I than time. But I want to told them, friends, we can earn money again and again, but we cannot get time again and again. So my dear friends, there are time is a very precious thing, and there are several profession like teacher and doctor and engineer also give the more importance to time than money, and
Yes, my dear.
they also follow the path of the proper time management.
Yes, my dear
Yes, my
friends.
friend, I agree to your point. And as we seen that the time management is a thing by which we can divide our whole time of a day in a single way. So this is become a very beneficial for any person to divide their time management to increase their productivity level and increase their level of work. So I believe that there are lots of ill effects we seen the person who are not following the time management, like they are not punctual and not dedicated towards their work, and mostly time we have seen they are depressful and the stressful life, live a stressful and depressed life. So I believe that every person who wants to success in their life, so I believe that the time management is necessary for all them. Thank you.
Yes,
Yes,
my
my
dear
friend, I
friends.
totally
I
agree with your
agree
point.
with
If
you,
we take a
and I
common
also
example, my
believe
dear
that
friend, let me complete my
right
point
time
first.
to the
My
right
dear
work
friends,
and the delegation of responsibility is very important in any organization. For example, that if we give any work to the person who doesn't know about it in organization, then it takes a lot of time. So, friends, we can say that it is the waste of time. So, if any organization and any person want to make productivity in his work, so the delegation of responsibility is very important. In the organization, the work should be given to that person who know about it, because he take a less time in doing this work. So friends, I believe that there are many this type of small factor which is very beneficial to making time management in any
yes,
organization.
yes, Anuj, I agree with your point. If we take a common example of our school level, in our school, every class have some of the students are toppers, some are average, and some are poor student. All the students have the same quality, but they are not well in their education because they do not manage their time well. If they manage the time very well, then all the students are topper. And the question is arise how to management our time. We have to eliminate the unnecessary activity in our daily life. On we have to go to visit or the place on a weekends, and we have to reduce the time, and also traveling time is also be included in our timetable, so due to which we get the more accuracy, and the student will gain the success path at a easy path in an easy manner and easy time.
Yes, my
Yes,
friend,
sir,
as
we
we all
agree
know
with your
that
point. I
time
wanna just add a one more point is that as we all know that time management is very crucial in our life, but we have to understand one more thing is that how we can
we are
manage our
doing the
time
time
discipline. First,
we can
we have to
What
the
what
okay.
overload.
First,
there is large number of
we have to see that the
we
first
do
and
late
foremost
Are
manage the
using
time
and
efficiently
we
is
go
scheduling our time.
and
What are the
is
priorities and
always
what are
better
the things is
because
that we
time
should
management
go
gives
through
you
all our day.
responsibility. That is good.
Yes, Manish, I
Just
agree
my
with your
friend, I agree to
with
your
your point
point.
of view,
And
and I
as
want
we
to add
seen
some
that the
more
many
points in
times
front
who
of you. And friends, as we know that time management provide the good effectively productivity to the pupils to manage their times, and it allows the pupils to work effectively in their life. And everyone who is successful, he know the value of time. And as we know that time is money, and without time management, we cannot be successful in our life. And time management provide the self motivation and the discipline. And everyone should manage our time properly, like that. We should get up early in the morning, and we should take the breakfast and the dinner at time, and we should sleep at the time. And many students are not following their timetables, and they make a high timetable, and after that they think that it will not followed by them. So friends, we should manage our time properly, and we should divide our time in many parts, and we should work upon our we should make time management in give the work. We should give the time to everything in a day.
Yes,
My
my
Yes,
friend,
my
I
dear
agree
friends,
with your
I
point,
agree to your
and I
point,
also
and I
believe
also
that
want to
doing
add
right
one more
time to
point is
right
that
activity
friends,
is very requisite because
friends,
friends,
if
basically we
we
see
want
that
to
most of
make
the
a
person
proper
do
time
their
management,
time
then
to
we
the
should make a
unimportant work,
chart
and
and follow that
they
the
waste
chart
is
to make
a
the
lot of time of his
chart
day.
and
So
the
friend, there
to
is need to make a good time for the other work, because if we waste our time in starting, then we doesn't get the time to do important work. So friends, prioritizing the important work in starting and finish that work before the deadline is very requisite in the time management. Because friends, if we do unimportant work in starting, then we give productive time to that work. That is not the rational thinking. So friends, the right thinking to do any work and within the time is very important.
Okay, agreeing with your point, Anuj, I wanna just add a one more point is that as we all know that time management is very important and very crucial in our life. And I wanna just add the thing is that first and foremost important thing I think from my side is to scheduling our time, that what is important to us and what are the things is that I can become a productive man by the day, and the what are the basic priorities for me or for my goal. First we have to discuss that and write down on the morning, yeah, night before the morning, that these are the works and I have to complete these works at the end of the day. And that will also give you the satisfaction after you have did all the work. That will also motivate you to manage our
Yes,
time
my
for the next day.
I agree with you. As we all know, that time management is always better because with the help of the time management, we can ensure our time at the right direction. And our one friend mentioned that at 4 a.m. is rising is always very beneficial. So for the time management, we have to stop watch for the time management. When the right time of of that is coming, then stopwatch will ensure that this is the time for do that work. So we have to stopwatch to arising as a 4 a.m. and we have to study at the right time. So we have to stopwatch so that
yes,
Just
Yes,
yes,
at
my
the
dear
time,
friends,
I want to
the
make
many
a
people
proper time
don't know
management.
about the need,
Abhishek,
not
right?
about know that the what is the need of the time management. Friends, the answer of this question is that we have a great need of the time management, because by this way we are improving our lifestyles and the increases the happiness in our whole lifestyle. And we have to we have to mostly if we are following the time management, then we are focus mainly on our goal, and to achieving our goal is very easy. So I believe that the time management is very important, and there are lots of benefits we have seen for the time management. Is like that the persons become punctual and dedicated towards their work, and they are done their work on a time, and give punctuality and discipline at their work level and the office or any other place. So this is become a very beneficial to improve anyone's life in the society. And we seen that in the modern era, the mostly peoples are going towards the irrelevant things. They are using like phones, and mostly times they are doing a gupshup with their friends. So this time they are not focusing on their goal. So I believe there are lots of solution we have to seen for making a time management. Like the we have to firstly scan our time where we can spend more and more time. After that we have should to making a timetable where we want where we spending the more time, that time we should have to replace with our goal. Thank you.
Yes,
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 Manoj,
Ansu, I
I do
totally agree with your
and I
point.
want
If a
to add
person
some
who
more
want to
points. And
success in
friends,
their
as we
life,
know that
then the most important
person
is that
who
they
is
have to
not
write their
managed their
all the
time.
daily activity. If you want, if it helps to achieve your goal faster, more, and the time management is very crucial. As we see in the today's schedule, all of the person have the hectic schedule. The person who are wanting to earn more and more money, they are not focusing on their eating, and they are not eating good food because they have not good time management. So due to which they are infested with the health, and they have to cause with ill disease. So my dear friend, the time can't be repeated. If you want to live healthy and stronger, then you will have to divide all the day into the small group, and do according to the plan, due to which you are becoming more disciplined and more dedicated to their path and goal, because your life
Yes,
is
my
very
Yes,
friend.
important for all of the family.
Yes,
yes,
my
my
friend.
dear
I
friend
agree
Saurav,
with
I
your
agree
point
to
of
your
view.
point,
And I want to
and
add
I
some
also
more
want to
points.
add one more point is that
Friends,
friends,
as we know
we should also
the
make a
person who
chart
is not
in which we
follow the
can
time
also divide our time schedule, and in which we also follow that chart, and we should do work on the basis of chart, and after some time we should also do a very time management. And friends, we should also understand the value of time, and we should also give the importance of time. Thank you.
Yes, Manoj, I agree to your point of view, and I want to add some more points in front of you. And friends, as we know that the person who don't follow the time, they are after some time they feel laziness, and they don't work. They don't work properly. And friends,
Yes, as we all know that we are living in an era of technology, and in which most of the students follow the pattern of time management and they also study on the online medium. And friends, when they teach on the online classes like on YouTube and below the class video, the many music video are there, and due to which they also distracted from them, and they also distracted time management because they involve in. So my dear friends, it is also a drawback of it.
Okay, friends, after knowing the perspective of each other, I also want to conclude the topic. In the conclusion, I would like to say that, friends, today we live in the era of technology, and there are many things which waste our time a lot. So, the managing the time is very requisite in a person's life as well as in organization. If we manage the time, then we can make more productivity in less time. And friends, there are many beneficial factors which is help us to making the time management in our life. For example, then making the what to do list in starting, jot down the important work, giving priority to that work which is very important, is very requisite in managing the time, and setting the deadline and completed the work within the deadline is also very important in managing the time, because a person who manages the time, mostly we see that he succeeds in his life, and the person who wastes his time, mostly see that he failed to make his identity in his life. So friends, time management is very requisite. Thank you.
yes, after knowing the
Had
perspective
a
of each
wonderful
other, I
discussion.
also want to conclude the topic. And
आदर्श मिश्रा को
friend,
यार कुछ बोलना चाहता था। आदर्श मिश्रा माइक उसने खोला था बहुत देर बाद।
yes यार I want to speak यार
आदर्श को
बोलो
बोलने दो
आदर्श।
भाई, आदर्श अभी नया बच्चा है। आदर्श को
अरे
थोड़ा
यार
बोलो
ज्यादा
आदर्श।
शांत से बात कीजिए।
today is my first day on teachment यार so I can't express myself openly. देखो टाइम मैनेजमेंट आज का टॉपिक है यार.
हाँ
ऐसा
भाई
तो
आज का
आपको नहीं
टॉपिक
याद है?
Yes.
हाँ.
बोलो
तो यार
इंट्रोडक्शन.
मैं जितना पता अभी जितना इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद बोला, टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड हाउ टू डिवाइड योर टाइम and how to utilize your time. And we can say if we ever spend our time in good deeds, then we can say time management is the key to succeed in our life. And that's why here I can't express bas.
थोड़ा
Thanks yaar.
अच्छा बोले. रोज आया करो रोज.
बढ़िया भाई.
Yeah, today is my because I today is my first day on teachment.
रोज आया करो, बन जाएगी फ्लुएंसी. तुम्हारी बहुत अच्छी फ्लुएंसी है.
कोई टेलीग्राम
Okay,
पे
my
तो है
friend,
भाई.
after long and healthy discussion, in a nutshell, I want to conclude the topic. Time management is also very beneficial for the successful person, and with the help of the time management, any person get remove from the overload of the burden of the HD and the burden of the business. So we have we have good to-do list for the better punctuality, and we have the time management gives us discipline and punctuality. So time management is also is very beneficial for the successful person. Thank you.
Yes, my
Okay,
dear
my
friend,
friends.
after
After
knowing the perspective of each other, I also want to conclude the topic in a nutshell. And friends, as we know that in previous time we don't have the tools to waste our time like social media and the mobile phone. And nowadays we are spending more time on social media. So friends, time management is a good idea to get succeed in our life, and it provides us the dedication and the discipline to towards our works. So friends, we should make our time divide in parts, and we should utilize them, and we should not make high level of time, because after some days we don't able to follow it, and be and the timetable are also correct. So friends, timetable is most important thing, and it provide the motivation and the good productivity to do the work, and we should make the to-do list to a time. And nowadays many students are preparing from the online platforms, and in the schools, when they go to the schools and coachings, where the teacher giving them the instruction, and but on the social media there is no one to guide, no one to control us. So time management will provide us the power of success. Thank you.
Yes, my dear friend,
okay, my
after the healthy discussion, I want to conclude the group discussion. If we see the today's scenario, most of the people are so busy in their life, so they are also not giving time for themselves, not for their students. Due to which they do not take care proper well of their children, so they indulge in many social activity, and that is very harm for us. As we see in the today's, most of the students have last syllabus, so they are not able to complete all the syllabus. So at a time management is very important for the student. If they management the time, then they will also focus on the study and also the physical activity. That is very beneficial for us, because it is a competition era. We have to focus all the part of the society. And my dear friend, when we have a good management of time, then we have to achieve our goal at a faster rate, and we have to increase the productivity rate. We have to make a daily notes of daily activity and find that we have to done or not. So my dear friend, time management is very important for us, because time and tide never stayed for anyone.
Okay, my friends, we had a wonderful discussion today, and all of my friends put their point in a very good way. And after listening the all points, I want to conclude the topic, friends. The time management is a very necessary thing for any person to get success. And we seen there are lots of ill effects when the person are not following their time management, like they are the procrastination, stressful life, not discipline in their life, not doing a good in their work, whether in office or in school life. So this is the mainly ill effects when we see the time management, the persons who are not following. But the persons who are following the time management, we see that the most of the people who are following the time management, they have a less stress compared to the other peoples, and they are more punctual and dedicated towards their work, and they are able to make their own personality between among the society, and to increase their level of work towards whole country. So by this way, the time management is necessary for any persons. And we seen that the time management, to making the time management, there are lots of solution for it, like the persons have to scan the timetable, scan the time of any persons where they can spend their whole time. So that time they should have to they should have to replace their time with the goal. So by this way, the time management becomes a successful of any person if they they follows their time, and they do their work on the time. Thank you.
Okay, friends, knowing the perspective of each other in a nutshell, I also want to conclude the topic. Friends, time management is a very, very necessary for our life, and mm, every person can reduce disappointment, depression, and anxiety through the proper time management. And there are several examples, as I told before. So friends, we should also learn from them, and we should also and our nature is also run through the proper time management. So friends, we should also learn from the nature, and if we follow a proper time management, then we can also reduce the burden about it. And friends, time management is also very good. That thank you. Yeah.
भाई tomorrow's topic क्या होगा?
सर बता देंगे अभी ग्रुप
सर बताएंगे भाई टेलीग्राम में।
ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा, ठीक है, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा। ओके गाइज, सो यू गाइज आर रियली डिस्कस द टॉपिक इन ए वेरी वेरी वंडरफुल वे। आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी बातें बोली। आई थिंक टाइम मैनेजमेंट पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं बचा जो तुमने डिस्कस नहीं किया। वेरी गुड, आई एम रियली हैप्पी, रियली रियली इम्प्रेस्ड विद द डिस्कशन पार्ट। बट जो मुझे चीज़, अच्छा, मुझे मेरा थोड़ा सा फर्ज बनता है कमी निकालना। अगर मैं तुम्हें हर चीज़ में तारीफ करता रहूँगा तो यू विल नॉट गेट इम्प्रूव्ड। ओके, कमी जो मुझे नज़र आई वो है कि ओके, कल का भी हमारा टॉपिक था डिसिप्लिन, आज का टाइम मैनेजमेंट। ये जो टॉपिक हैं वो मेरे हिसाब से थोड़े से आपकी लाइफ को इम्प्रूव करने वाले टॉपिक हैं। तो जैसे हमने कई बार डिस्कस किए टॉपिक वेज वर्सेस नॉन वेज वर्सेस टॉपिक डिस्कस किए, कई बार हमने सोशल इश्यूज डिस्कस किए, और इस बार हमारी जो ये 2-3 दिन से डिस्कशन चल रही है वो है हमारी कुछ वैल्यू ऑफ लाइफ इंक्रीज करने वाले डिस्कशन। इन टॉपिक्स के बारे में बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे लोगों ने कुछ अच्छे अच्छे कोट्स दिए हैं। तो अगर इस तरह का कोई टॉपिक आपको जीडी में मिलता है, देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू actually quote those good lines so said by some good authors or something like that. Okay, तो कुछ जो इन लोगों ने कुछ अच्छी बातें बोली हैं टाइम मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर, शेक्सपियर हो सकता है आपका, अब्दुल कलाम जी हो सकते हैं। तो अगर इन लोगों ने कुछ ऐसा आपको मैटर मिलता है तो इन टॉपिक्स में उसको आप जो है ज़रूर कोट किया करो, है ना। तो ये जो फेमस लोगों ने कुछ बातें बोली हैं इस तरह की वैल्यू ऑफ लाइफ वाले टॉपिक पे, उनको अगर आप कोट करेंगे तो ये आपके डिस्कशन में थोड़ा सा जो है बाकी लोगों से आप ऑटोमेटिकली एक स्टेप ऊपर चले जाएंगे, है ना। तो जैसे मैंने तुम्हें बताया कि जब हम सोशल इश्यूज डिस्कस करते हैं तब आपको जो फैक्चुअल डाटा है, जहाँ पे किसी गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी ने कोई रिसर्च करी है, कुछ डाटा दिया है कि हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे दिल्ली की अगर बात करें तो आपको 100,000 लोगों पे कितने लड़के हैं, इस तरह की चीज़ें आप कोट कर सकते हैं, है ना। अगर इस तरह का सोशल इशू हम डिस्कस करें, कितने दहेज के केस होते हैं दुनिया में, उसको आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, कितने फेक होते हैं, कितनी न्यूज़ फेक होती हैं, कितना %, अगर किसी एजेंसी ने इस तरह को डाटा दिया आप कोट कर सकते हैं। तो वहाँ पे मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि सोशल इश्यूज में आप जो है फैक्चुअल डाटा, स्टैटिस्टिकल डाटा कोट कर दिया करो, उससे अच्छा लगता है। तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि इस तरह की वैल्यू ऑफ लाइफ वाले टॉपिक जब आए, जो इंक्रीज करने वाले टॉपिक आए, उनमें आप जो है इस तरह के फेमस लोगों ने कुछ बातें बोली हैं तो वो कोट कर दिया करो। उससे आपका डिस्कशन जो है वो थोड़ा और उसमें चार चांद लग जाएंगे, है ना। तो ये एक चीज़ थोड़ी सी सब लोगों ने जो है नज़र नहीं आई। अदरवाइज सबने बहुत अच्छा, स्पेशली जो डिस्कशन इतना इम्प्रेसिव नहीं था, बट आपने जो कंक्लूजन दिए हैं वन एंड ऑल, सभी ने बहुत प्यारे कंक्लूजन दिए हैं, सब बहुत तैयारी के साथ आए। स्पेशली अनुज प्रसाद और अंशु, और ये तो खैर हर डिस्कशन में आते हैं, बट बाकी लोग जो है उन्होंने भी आज जो है बहुत तैयारी के साथ तुम लोग आए हो। न्यू कमर हमारा आदर्श मिश्रा है, इसने भी अच्छा ट्राई किया। बहुत अच्छी बात है कि अगर आप किसी पहली बार जीडी सेशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो और आप यू एटलीस्ट हैव ट्राई टू से समथिंग, आपने एक्सप्रेस करने की कोशिश करी, ये एक तरह से दिस इज ए विन विन सिचुएशन। अगर आपने कोशिश भी करी, ये भी एक तरह की जीत ही है। अदरवाइज बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ आते हैं, सेशन देखते हैं,
थैंक यू
दूसरों को
सर।
देख के भाग जाते हैं, रुकने की कोशिश भी नहीं करते। तो यू एक्चुअली इन्वॉल्व इन द डिस्कशन फॉर ग्रेट 1 आवर, आपने 1 घंटे तक यहाँ रुके हो, तो इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए गुड थिंग, गुड साइन, है ना। तो इस तरह के अच्छे साइन लेके आप जो है हर डिस्कशन में आओ, एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल गेट इम्प्रूव्ड, देयर इज नो डाउट। ओके, बाकी बच्चों ने भी बहुत अच्छे से बोला है। अच्छा, मैं थोड़ा सा एक चीज़ से आपसे नाराज़ हूँ, वो ये कि आप लोग जो भी टॉपिक दिया जाए, बहुत मेहनत के साथ आते हैं, स्पेशली बहुत सीरियसनेस के साथ आते हैं। कुछ बच्चे तो अब बाकी बच्चों को सिखाने भी लग गए हैं, दिस इज वेरी गुड क्वालिटी है। ये तो एक्चुअल में तुम तो एयरमैन बनने जा रहे हो, दिस इज लाइक समथिंग लाइक ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटी, और ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। आजकल के जो एयरमैन है वो भी ऑफिसर से कम नहीं है। तो तुम्हें इस तरह की क्वालिटीज़ तुम्हारे अंदर डेवलप हो रही हैं, ये बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो इस तरह की चीज़ें तुम रखा करो। अगर तुम्हारे किसी दोस्त को तुम्हें लग रहा है कि हाँ एक बहुत जेन्युइन चीज़ है जो उसमें हमें करेक्ट करनी है, तो उसको ज़रूर आप करेक्ट किया करो। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, पोलाइट वे में दूसरों को समझाना, इससे बेहतर कुछ नहीं हो सकता। तो आप इस तरह के काम जो है, इस तरह की हरकतें जो है वो करते रहा करो, ये अच्छी बातें हैं। और दूसरी बात ये कि हमेशा मैं हर क्लास में कहता हूँ कि डिस्कशन अलग चीज़ है। डिस्कशन करोगे, थोड़ी देर बाद में दिमाग में जो तुमने बोल गए वो मुंह से निकल गया, 25% भी तुम्हें याद नहीं रहेगा। इसको साइंस भी बोलती है, वो भी मानती है कि इतना ही तुम याद रख सकते हो, कि हमारे ब्रेन की कैपेसिटी इतनी है। बट जो लिखा हुआ है वो सीधा दिमाग में छपता है। मैं तुम्हें, जो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको तो ये बात मैं बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ। तो बेटा आपसे तुम जो है जो होमवर्क है वो सबमिट करना स्टार्ट करो। जो भी तुम्हारे न्यू लर्निंग्स हैं, जो तुमने पिछले 1 घंटे में सीखा है, जो तुमने टाइम मैनेजमेंट के बारे में पढ़ा है, वो कम से कम 20-25 लाइन का मैटर जो है वो मुझे ज़रा सबमिट किया करो। इससे क्या होगा कि एक तो मुझे प्रूव मिलेगा कि तुम लोग सीरियस हो और काम कर रहे हो। दूसरा ये होगा कि तुम्हारा जो अगर तुम लिखोगे ना, तो वो तुम्हें पक्का 100% है कि अगर तुम्हें बाकी टाइम याद रहे ना रहे, पर जब तुम एक्चुअल जीडी में बैठोगे ऑटोमेटिक तुम्हारी ज़बान पे वर्ड्स आएंगे, क्योंकि तुमने उसको हाथ से लिखा है। तो ये बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है, इसको धीरे धीरे डेवलप कर लो। अभी भी हमारे पास टाइम है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अभी तो रिजल्ट अनाउंस होगा, उसके बाद भी 1 महीना मिलेगा, और बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे टॉपिक हम डिस्कस करते रहेंगे। आई एम श्योर कि आप लोग बहुत सही टाइम पे तैयारी करने आ गए हो, तो कोई टॉपिक जो है वो ऐसा होगा ही नहीं कि तुम डिस्कशन में दिया जाए और तुमने तैयारी नहीं करी है। ठीक है, थोड़ी देर में टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में नया टॉपिक डाल दूंगा। ऐसी सीरियसनेस के साथ और ऐसी जोश के साथ एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हुए अगर तुम आगे बढ़ोगे, तो ये बहुत अच्छा साइन है, एंड यू विल गेट डेफिनेटली गेट सिलेक्टेड, डोंट वरी एट ऑल। ओके, सो दैट्स फ्रॉम माय साइड, टेक केयर, बाय।
सर एक क्वेश्चन था।
बोलो बेटा, बोलो।
सर ये मनोज बोलता है आई हैव बीन बोर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन
हाँ हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, ये एक फ्रेज है, आई हैव बोर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप एक फ्रेज है, और ये अच्छी फ्रेज है। और बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं, जो अच्छी अंग्रेजी जानते हैं, जो ग्रेजुएशन लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स की तरह बोलते हैं, तो वहाँ पे आप इसको कोट कीजिए। अच्छी लाइन है, इसका कोई गलत में मतलब नहीं है, और ये इम्प्रेसिव लगती है। आप इसको सब लोगों को, जिसको भी यूज करना है, आप यूज कर सकते हैं। अगर आप बहुत सिंपल वे में बोलना चाहते हैं +2 स्टूडेंट की तरह, तो आप सिंपली बोल सकते हैं आई हैव बोर्न इन सो एंड सो प्लेस, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। बट अगर आप इस तरह से बोलना चाहते हैं तो ये बहुत अच्छा है, और ये इट साउंड्स गुड। तो इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई इसमें गलती नहीं है, आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, नो इशू। ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स?
सर मैं बोला सर, पहले आप लिख कर बता देते, ये कमी तुम्हारी यहाँ पे रही सर, ऐसा आपने किया क्या?
अभी भी करेंगे, अभी भी करेंगे। अभी मैं भी, जैसे जैसे मैं तुम्हें तो बोलता रहता हूँ सीरियस हो जाओ, पर मैं भी थोड़ा कम सीरियस हूँ। जैसे रिजल्ट्स आ जाएगा उसके बाद वही तरीका चलेगा, मैं लिख लिख के बताऊंगा।
हाँ सर,
सर
उसमें
आई
ज्यादा
हैव वन
इम्प्रूवमेंट
क्वेश्चन
दिख
सर।
जाता है हमें।
अभी भी बहुत अच्छा, अभी भी जो क्वालिटीज़ मैं डेवलप करना चाह रहा हूँ वो हो रही हैं। जैसे ही रिजल्ट्स आ जाएंगे उसके बाद मैं लिख लिख के ही बताऊंगा। वही मेरा तरीका है, वही वैसे ही काम करेंगे। एनीथिंग एल्स?
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है।
हाँ बेटा, बोलो।
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि सर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जब मैं सर पहले से जीडी मतलब बोलना स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ, फिर भी बच्चे सर बोलते जाते हैं, मतलब एकदम फ्लो में, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता एकदम। मैं तो सर मन बना के आते, कब मुझे बोलना ही बोलना है थर्ड टाइम पे या फोर्थ टाइम पे, तो सर ये इट इज गुड फॉर अस, या मेरे लिए अच्छा है या उनके लिए अच्छा है कि नहीं?
यार ऐसा है कि देखो आपकी आवाज़ में इतना दम होना चाहिए कि सामने वाला अपनी आवाज़ को या अपने पॉइंट को जो है छोटा समझ के खुद ही चुप हो जाए। बट फिर भी मैं कहूँगा कि हर जीडी में फिश मार्केट बनता है। कुछ बच्चे हैं जो वो सोच के यही आते हैं कि उनको बस अपनी फायरिंग करनी है, धड़ाधड़ बुलेट छोड़नी है और चले जाना है। मेरे हिसाब से इसका कोई बहुत ज़्यादा प्लस मार्क्स तो नहीं मिलते हैं, नेगेटिव ही मिलते हैं। बट अगर तुमने एक दो बार ट्राई करी और बाकी बच्चे तुम्हें मौका नहीं दे रहे, तो फिर तुम भी उनके जैसे हो जाओ और तब तक बोलते रहो जब तक बाकी बच्चे चुप ना हो जाएं। ये क्वालिटी धीरे धीरे डिस्कशन करोगे ऑटोमेटिकली आएगी। मेरे हिसाब से अगर तुम्हारा पॉइंट दमदार होगा और तुम्हारी वॉइस में दम होगा तो बाकी बच्चे खुद ही सरेंडर कर देंगे। हर बार तुम्हें सरेंडर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। बट ये अच्छी क्वालिटी है कि अगर तुमने एक दो बार ट्राई किया, बाकी बच्चे नहीं बोलने दे रहे हैं, तो ठीक है, मौके का इंतज़ार करो। वैसे भी जीडी में जो बच्चे कम पढ़ के आएंगे या जो इस तरह की चीज़ें करने के लिए आएंगे, वो शुरुआत के 15-20 मिनट में ख़त्म हो लेंगे। उसके बाद में बहुत टाइम रहता है, 15-20 मिनट के बाद भी जीडी आधा घंटा और चलता है, तब हमें अच्छा टाइम मिलेगा बोलने के लिए। तब तक सिलेक्टर भी जो है वो मूड में आ चुका होता है कि सुनने के मूड में, तो उसके बाद बोल सकते हो। तो शुरुआत में इतना करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अगर वो तुम्हें नहीं बोलने दे रहे हैं, तुम एटलीस्ट ट्राई करो, वो भी काउंट होता है कि हाँ तुम ट्राई कर रहे हो, बोलने की ट्राई कर रहे हो, तुम ट्राई करो। अगर नहीं बोलने दे रहे कोई बात नहीं, शुरुआती 10-15 मिनट में बहुत ज़्यादा पैनिक होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। उसके बाद में तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा मौका मिलेगा, क्योंकि इस तरह की तैयारी के साथ जो आएंगे कि मुझे बोलना ही है, वो शुरू के 10-15 मिनट में जो उनको आता है वो बोल चुके होंगे, उसके उनके कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं बोलने के लिए। तो फिर टाइम सारा तुम्हारा ही है, फिर आराम से जंग जीत लो, क्या दिक्कत है। ये बात है बेटा।
थैंक्स सर।
सर हमने ऐसा सुना है कि मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद में जो जीडी चलता है वो 15 से 20 मिनट चलता है, तो सर उसमें तो बहुत ज्यादा फिश मार्केटिंग होने के चांसेस हैं, उसे कैसे हैंडल करें उस
कोई बात नहीं,
सिचुएशन में?
फिश मार्केटिंग होती ही है जीडी में, और जीडी होता ही फिश मार्केटिंग में से अपनी क्वालिटीज़ को दिखाने के लिए फिश जीडी होता है। बट फिर भी सामने जो बैठा है उसको फिश मार्केट को कैसे हैंडल करना है वो उसको पता रहता है। अगर तुम कॉन्फिडेंट हो, तुम्हें चीज़ के बारे में पता है, तुम्हारी आवाज़ में दम है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली उन बच्चों को चुप करा देगा जो फालतू में बोल रहे हैं या नकली पॉइंट बोल रहे हैं। वो ऑटोमेटिक तुम्हें ही बोलेगा कि यस बोलो, आपको मौका नहीं मिला, आप बोलो। तो एक तरीका तो ये होता है कि वो आपको, आप अगर बार बार ट्राई कर रहे हो, बाकी बच्चे मौका नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो वो आपको मौका दे देंगे। अदरवाइज दूसरी बात ये है कि अगर आपका पॉइंट दमदार है तो बाकी बच्चे खुद ही शांत हो जाएंगे। ऐसे फिश मार्केट बनाने वाले बच्चे हर डिस्कशन में 3-4 ही होते हैं, सारे बच्चे इस तरह से नहीं करते हैं कि फिश मार्केट बनाते। और फिर तुम्हें ये है कि तुम्हें इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद में जीडी में एटलीस्ट, हाँ, जीडी में तुम्हें टाइम जो है वो मिलता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि 15-10 मिनट ही मिलते हैं। 15 बच्चे होते हैं तो आधा घंटा आराम से मिल जाता है जीडी के लिए भी। ऑन एंड एवरेज तुम्हें डिस्कशन के लिए 3 मिनट मिलते हैं, क्योंकि सारे बच्चे, देखो 2-3 बच्चे हमेशा ऐसे होते हैं जो कि वो बेचारे नहीं बोल पाते हैं, है ना। तो कंपटीशन एक्चुअल में जो 10 से 12 बच्चों के बीच में ही होता है, तो आराम से आधा घंटा मिलता है तुम्हें। एवरेज 3 मिनट बोलने के लिए मिलेंगे। तुम मैक्सिमम 10 लाइन का मैटर तैयार करो, उतना ही तुम बोल सकते हो। एनीथिंग एल्स? चलो ठीक है बेटा, आज की क्लास को यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं। थोड़ी देर में नया टॉपिक दूंगा। कुछ एसआरटीज में ग्रुप में बीच बीच में डालते रहता हूँ, उनको अटेम्प्ट किया करो। अगर तुम्हें कुछ डाउट लगे तो मुझे पूछा करो, आपस में पूछा करो, आपस में डिस्कस किया करो, ऐसा क्यों हुआ, आपने ये ऑप्शन क्यों सिलेक्ट किया। मैंने इसमें ऑलरेडी चैट बॉक्स ओपन कर रखा है तुम्हारे लिए, तो उसका तुम जो है, जब तक वो खुला है उसका फ़ायदा तुम जो है उठाइए और इस तरह के काम करो, ठीक है।
करते हैं सर, वैसे बढ़िया क्वेश्चन आते
ओके
हैं। जय
ओके
हिंद
ओके,
सर।
बाय। जय हिंद।
ओके सर, जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, जीएसटी
जय
ऑल
जय
ऑफ
हिंद।
यू।
हिंद ऑल ऑफ यू।
जय
जय
हिंद
हिंद,
भाई।
जय हिंद भाई। जय हिंद
जय
भाई।
हिंद भाई।